Today Brunswick has given us an easy recipe for a mini tuna quiche. We'll be using their tuna with vegetables and corn and making it quick and simple breakfast dish. Let's get started. First of all, we're going to whisk our eggs and milk together, and then we'll add everything else and just pop it in the oven. Right, so we have some milk here. I'm just going to put just about a tablespoon. I'm going to pluck some fresh thyme in here. Give a nice little flavor to it. Perfect. Let's whisk this together so the eggs are nice and smooth. And we're going to incorporate some air into our egg mixture. This will help with some lightness in our quiche, alright? So now that we've whisked our eggs and milk together, let's add our rest of the ingredients and just fold that in. So we'll start with our tuna, vegetables, just slide that in there. We'll add some of this onion. I'll say you could roughly put about a quarter cup. I have some fresh chives here. I got some fresh garlic. It's about a tablespoon of garlic. I'll put some nice fresh local pimentos. Give that flavor a nice little pop, right? Some tomatoes. It's almost like an omelette you're making, but we're baking it in the oven, right? If you want some heat, I have a little bit of local hot pepper, Scotch bonnet, Congo pepper, what do you call it? And put in my cheese here. Just need a little bit. It's going to help hold our quiche together, alright? Use a wooden spoon and mix this all together. While we're mixing this, we can start seasoning. So let's go to our little spice corner here. What do we have? I'll put a bit of salt, for some taste of course. Season with some black pepper. If you have white pepper, that's good as well. I'll put a touch of garlic powder and a touch of onion powder. If you want chili powder as well, go right ahead. It's up to you how you control the heat, alright? Alright, let's mix this in. So now that we've incorporated all the ingredients together, I'm just going to scoop it into a silicone baking tray. You can use a muffin pan as well, just make sure to grease it, alright? So here we go. It's as easy as this. We're going to put this in the oven at 350 for about 15 minutes. Let's do that. So to go to our quiche, we're going to make a nice little tomato salsa. And it's just some tomatoes, some onion, some fresh herbs, and some seasoning like salt, black pepper, some garlic, and some chili powder. I finish off that with some olive oil and some lemon juice. Super easy to make. And it's a great addition to your breakfast. Just leave it a little longer until it's nice and set, and you can touch it and it springs it back up like that, alright? So we have a nice tomato salsa here. Just going to top it with just a bit on top. We're just making this dish nice and bright. And here we go. Enjoy yourself. I'll see you next time.